Hi friends, and in loop statement, one more example we are going to see. That means how to find the square in numbers. Let's take it 1 to 10 and find the square numbers in that 1 to 10. For this we'll apply the for loop, while loop and do while loop. First we'll go for loop, then we'll go for while and do while loop. Okay, for loop same as it is here, like int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 10, I plus 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 dot line. Okay, in print line every time we will write the I. If I write the I, it will take the incremental order. So what we have to want, I want square root for 1 to 10. So you have to type I plus square of, it's a string, it's a definitions, square of plus I into I. See friends, 1 square is of 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. See, 1 to 10 we have found the square of 1 to 10 numbers. 10 into 10 is 100, 9 into 9 81, like that. Now you can see the while loop. While loop also is same, applying int I equal to 1 while I is less than equal to 10. Here also write the same statement plus give the space, then you will come to know. Or plus I into I. Sorry, here we have not written the incremental value, so it will take only 1 1. When you write the increment order, then it will take it. See, again you have to run one more time. see, initially what happened means I have not given the increment order, so it will take one only, one square upon one square upon one. So it's we have not given any last statement, so it will go into and continuously it will run. So when we given the increment order after the while loop, after the statement, so it will take the right. Okay, then now we are going to see the do while loop. Hi. Plus see, again it comes answer. This is how we are going to find the square root of numbers. Okay, whatever number you want, you can mention it and you can find it from up to there. Okay, thank you. We'll go to the next problems in loop statement. We have many problems. I'm making this one individual because of your understanding purpose. Otherwise it will become a length video, so you not able to see the full video. Okay, you go one by one. I will mention it in YouTube, and also please go through the subscription button, and if you like the video and the YouTube, press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.